Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today we are in downtown Kato Paphos in the harbour area, and I have brought a friend, Miss Ochin Gracevia-Leboeuf. Wow, oh my God, Miss Ochin Gracevia-Leboeuf, you look beautiful.
Thank you for that, Mr. Paul. Let me say hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. How are you doing?
Not too bad.
I'm not asking you, Mr. Paul. I'm asking to our lovely friends, the people who watching us. You're making me dizzy again, Mr. Paul. You know what? Today, we are in prison. Somebody arrested me because I imagined I'm there and not here, you know, and say, ooh, let me out.
Come on, Leboeuf, I'll set you free. Let's go for a walk and show the lovely people that spectacular sea. What do you think? Wow.
Yes.
That's the word, eh? Wow.
Yes, wow, wow, wow.
Look at that view, Leboeuf. Hmm? Wow.
Beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful.
The sun is beaming, the sky is blue, the sea is blue. In fact, most things are blue because this is Cyprus. And the view that you are about to get is to die for.
Don't die alone. Don't die alone, please. Let's die together. You have to come here and then inform us that you would like to die for such a views. Then we can do it together.
Excellent. What a wonderful idea. And we can save on all the funeral costs because we can just have a mass grave. Right, that view is coming. There's a girl bending over a rock. I don't know what she's doing. There's a fort, there's tourists, there's sunshine, and there's a beautiful blue sea. What more can you ask for?
Paul, is it yours? It says Paul.
It does. Paul without, well, with an O instead of an A and no U. But I tell you what, it's a nice boat.
Wow, cobalt.
That's
It's
a nice
beautiful
boat.
boat.
It is. It is a nice boat.
Yeah.
It's got a certain look to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, I like that boat. Not quite as nice as my boat, but anyway, go on, Leboeuf. Let's go and have a look, and let's see what is going on today. Let's go that way.
Hello, everybody.
Miss Ochin Gracevia-Leboeuf, the most beautiful woman in the world. So, the view to die for is about to come up, and it's going to take your breath away. It's worth waiting for it. A few more seconds. Look at that. Go on, Leboeuf. We've got places to go and we've got places to see. There's a young lady over there looking the wrong way. What she's actually doing, we don't know. But we understand that there's a rock called Aphrodite's Rock about 30 kilometres that way, and that is where she wants to go. Lovely smiley people. They're enjoying their holiday in the background, watching us and wondering what the hell is going on. Leboeuf? She's still laughing, and she's still wondering what the hell is going on. Go on, Leboeuf. What have you got to say?
There is some people, I can see some people on the fort, on the last floor.
Yes, there is. There's some people on the top there, but the problem is that it's going to cost us €2.50 each to get in there. So as I've said in a previous video, if there is a Mr. and Mrs. Fort that would like to send us €5, we'll go make a video especially for you. Here's that view again. Look at that. A view to die for. Let's follow Leboeuf.
Hello, everybody. I'm losing my balance. That woman lost an orientation.
She did.
Like me.
She did.
You see?
And that woman, I'm going to hunt, and that woman is going to receive one of our cars. Where did she go? Is that her over there? We're going to go and find her afterwards. Very talented. So this is the new tourist attraction in downtown Kato Paphos. Mr. LeBouf dances the Chachushka on the moving rock, and listen to it.
And then it's a free gym in front of the Mediterranean Sea. A lovely fresh air, and Mr. Paul is filming me. What else can I want? Listen to this.
That's talent. Absolutely delicious with ice cream. Miss Ochin Gracevia LeBouf, the most beautiful woman in the world.
Wow, what a beautiful sight, huh? And the sea is so clean, you wonder. No. Because, no, I shouldn't say that.
The view is to die for, and the sea is beautifully clean. That's for true. Simply because, as Miss Ochin Gracevia LeBouf was going to say, there are no sewage pipes coming into this part of the sea. Hence its beauty and its tranquility. Let me show you again. Let's go and find LeBouf and see what she's got to say.
You know what I would like to say? I just wonder how long these stones and rocks were brought here under the site of the fort castle. Do you think the real human being could bring one by one such a heavy stones? No?
Well, no. Obviously, they were brought by a big lorry and then mechanical diggers put them into position, and of course the reason for that is to protect that.
All right.
Because as we understand, the water over time is eroding the foundations of the castle, and we don't want the castle to fall down. Wouldn't be good for tourism, because that is what Paphos is all about, tourism. And we have a man in charge called Prodomus, who is the greatest mayor that the world has ever seen. He's probably the greatest Cypriot that the world has ever seen, and his dream is to make Paphos the greatest city in the world. And we intend to help him. Mr. Gracevia LeBouf, what have you got to say?
You're losing your English, yeah?
It was never very good to start with.
It was never very good to start with. I've got to say that. I totally enjoyed the working, you know. By the way, after such a walk, back, forward, I have a muscles paining, and this is like I've done a gym, you know, 3 hours good gym. Well done us, Mr. Paul, congratulations. And I would like to tell to the people, if you ever come here, I know you would like, you would have a wish to go and see this castle, but wait for us, we can go together. So wait for us, we can do everything together. But Mr. Paul is going to eat somebody's breakfast alone, not together.
No, when it comes to eating breakfast, that's my job. Right, come with us as we take you on our short little walk back across the rocks to the harbour. I'll show you the spectacular view across the little boats.
Our accordion is playing again.
Our hero.
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
While
LeBouf.
you yabba doing me here, I just start to forget where we going to.
We're going just over there to the harbour area.
Oh, okay.
As you can see, again today it's not that busy, but slowly it is picking up. So if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and get on a plane and pop over to see us. And we invite you to be in one of our city videos, and we invite you to come and join us and the splendour of the beautiful island of Cyprus. Here's our Gumbaru. lost in deep thought as he plays. He's a very talented musician, and we wish him luck today, and I'm sure he'll do okay. Views to die for. Mr. LeBouf?
Do you know somebody threw the silver spoon inside? It was over there shining, now it's hiding under
I
the...
can see it, yes. I doubt the camera can pick it up, but I can see it. Happy tourists everywhere we look. Say thank you very much for watching.
No missing chances, I have learned to see. Every moment shapes who we're meant to be on this island of love. Hand in hand we roam. In the heart of Cyprus we have found our home. With Marika's laugh, the world feels bright. Underneath the stars, with hearts inside, letting go of shadows from days gone by.